Once upon a time, there was a dense green jungle. The jungle was full of tall trees, colorful flowers, cute animals. In that jungle lived a cute elephant named Golu and a fast and intelligent parrot named Mitthu. Golu was very strong but a little slow. Mitthu was small but very clever. From many days, the weather became very hot in jungle. The river in the jungle slowly started drying up. All the animals became worried. The water is disappearing. What will we do now? Golu the elephant looked sad. I'm strong, Golu thought, but I can't find a solution to this problem. High up on a tree, Mitthu was watching everything. Suddenly he got an idea. The clever parrot tells Golu and all the animals that behind the jungle there is an old hidden lake, but the path to it is blocked. Golu used his long, strong trunk to move the big stones, blocking the path. Seeing Golu working hard, the other animals of the jungle also came forward to help him. Together they clear the way and the path opens. Clean water from the lake flowed back into the jungle. The river became full again. The animals were happy once more. Mitthu says happily, "Teamwork forever." All the animals praises Golu's strength and Mitthu's intelligence and clap for them happily. Golu gently said to Mitthu, "You are small, but your thinking is very big." Mitthu smiled and replied, "And you are strong, not just in body, but also in heart." The two became good friends. The story teaches us an important lesson. Problems are not solved by size, but by wisdom and teamwork.